I personally don't feel that. See, every election has to be fought on a certain platform with certain policies which you have. Firstly, for your constituency and then for the state as a whole, in whichever capacity you are. I proved that I could win from a TMC ticket from Nongthymmai. Although there were more people against me than for me because of my switch. But I won. I was the only person who won in the entire Khasi Jaintia hills of 36 constituencies. Which means people still have their faith and confidence in me. But I don't think I can carry their faith and confidence much further if I cannot build this party TMC before the elections. Well, I'm trying, but I have not been very successful at it. Because to be very, without being, what do you call that word, biased or racist, the TMC is perceived as a Bengali party. Before the elections and after the elections, it's become worse. So, you will not get the support of the Khasi and Jaintia. And the Bengalis of it, they call it the Muslim party. This is feedback I've got. They should never say that. That should not be said in politics. Because politics is a secular country. But under those circumstances, for me to build a party, then who do I look to?